Hello viewers and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Agina.
And my name is Tony.
In this edition we shall learn about the vowels in the Luo language. So Tony, in the Luo language there are 5 vowels, okay? So I'll give you the 5. A, say A, E,
E,
I,
E,
O, U. So let's understand what a vowel is. Do you know what a vowel is?
A vowel is a special letter in an alphabet that is used to make certain words and pronunciations.
Correct. Vowels are speech sounds that we produce without any significant constriction of the airflow in the vocal tract. There are 5 main vowel letters in the English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y can also be a vowel, but each of these letters can produce multiple sounds depending on the context in which they are used. So we shall start with the vowel A, but in Luo we say it's A. Okay? So this M-A will be spelled ma. Say ma. That means this. Ma. Good. Then mama. Not mama. Mama. And then we have mad. Not mud. Mad. Don't read it in the English context. Read it in the Luo context.
I know.
So say mad. Correct. Mad. Not mad. Mad. Then there's luck. Then there is duck. Then the last one is dug. So I want you to read all of them. Start with this. Next.
Mama.
Next.
Mud.
Next.
Luck. Duck. Dag.
Let's start again. Let's read it together. Ma. Mama. Mud. Luck. Duck. Listen to me. Duck. Duck. The D and the G have to sound, okay? And we shall talk about diphthongs in another video. And now let's move on to the sound of E, which is E. The short letter E sounds like a pen. You know when you're saying pen? Pen. Okay? And the long sound would be like if you're saying B, but we shall not use that. So let's start with N. Not N. N. Yes. N. Peck. Deck. Nera. Ger. R. Say r. Ger.
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 Ner.
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 Okay. Now that is the E. So can you read all of them together? Start with this.
N.
Not N. N.
N.
Again.
Pick.
Start again.
N.
N.
N. Pick.
Peck.
Pick.
Peck.
Peck.
Yes. Again.
Peck.
Yes. Not peck. Peck.
Peck. So you have to make the E long.
It's not long, but you have to like go
You have
from
to, like,
you go from short low note to high note. Okay. Peck.
peck.
Yes. Peck.
Peck.
Deck.
Deck. Nera.
Yes.
Ger.
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 Ner.
Ner.
Good. So that's the E sound, and that is eh. Okay. So let's move along. Now let's explore the letter I. The short sound E.
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 Like in pig.
Pig. It kind of sounds like an E.
Yeah, but this is now pig, okay?
Okay.
The long sound of I is like in bike.
Bike.
So let's start with tin.
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 This is not tin, it's tin.
Tin.
B.
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 D.
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 Chi.
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 Min.
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 Lima.
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 Good. So can you read all of them together?
Tin. B. D. Chi. Min. Lima.
Again.
Tin.
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 B.
B. D. Chi. Min. Lima.
Good. Not Lima. Lima.
Lima.
Lima.
Lima.
Lima.
Lima. I mean Lima.
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 Yes.
Lima.
Good. So, onto the letter O. The short O sounds like hot. So we shall look at hot, and the long O sounds like boat.
Boat.
So hot and boat.
Oh.
Let's check this out. Pong.
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 Dong.
Dong.
Rot.
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 Top.
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 Chot.
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 Dock.
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 Okay, start again.
Pong. Pong. Dong. What. Top. Chot. Chot. Dock.
So you see this pong and dong, you use the boat sound. You don't use the
Pong.
yes.
Dong. Rot.
Now the rot, you use the hot sound.
Yeah. Rot.
Yes.
Top. Chot.
So this one you use this sound. So what do you get?
Chot.
Yes.
Dock.
Correct. Now do it again.
Pong. Dong. Rot. Top. Chot. Dock.
Good. So that's how you get the O sound. And finally, let's have the letter U. And the short U, there is a short U like whom. Like
Whom.
whom. And there's a long U like the mule.
Mule.
So let's look at this. This is whom.
Home.
Whom.
Home.
Chung.
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 Dum.
Dom.
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 Tugo.
Tugo.
So this is a U and an O. Tugo.
Tugo.
Chulo.
Chulo.
Chulo, not low.
Chulo.
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 Duo.
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 Pur.
Pur.
So can you read all of them
Pur.
together?
Hum. Chung.
Dum.
Dom. Tugo. Chulo. Duo. Pur.
Again, let's start again from the top.
Hum. Shung. Dum. Tugo. Chulo. Duo. Pur.
Pur, not
Pur.
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 And that's a common mistake. People start looking at the words and then
Pur.
thinking the English way and pronouncing it the English way.
No, it's hard to pronounce it the right way. I know how it's pronounced. It's just hard to pronounce.
Good. So that I know that. So today we learned about the vowels. We learned about a, e, o, and u. The reason why we started with the vowels is so that you know how to pronounce the words. In our next lesson, we shall be learning about consonants, and we shall talk about consonants, and then we'll talk about diphthongs. That way you'll be able to put all this together to make very nice words. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and also comment on the what?
Comment if you have a problem with the words, and remember to subscribe to our channel if you like it.
Good. For now, Oriti. Bye-bye.